Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can create Instagram reel from sliding post. Let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened, and the first thing we have to do is click on the profile button right here and then just select the sliding post that you want to make it as a reel. And for example, I'm gonna go with this one and click on this three dots button. Then there will be some options for you, and you can click on create reel from this post. Alright, and we can choose the music that we want to add to our reel, but we can also skip this step if we don't want to add music. And for example, I'm just going to click on this music, then we can click on next to continue to the next step. Alright guys, and before we upload this reel, we can edit the video, or we can also add new clip to this reel. And for me, I'm just going to add new clip, so I'm just going to choose this photo. So just tap on the photo. Alright, and we can also edit the video. Just click on the edit if you want to edit the video. We can add tag, sticker, or we can also add filters. After we are done, we can click on this button. Alright, and we can put caption right here, and we can also tag people and add location to this reel. And if we are done, we can click on share to share the reel. Alright guys, and this is the reel that we have just created from sliding post, and that's how we can create an Instagram reel from sliding post. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.